Hello.
Hi.
Today we are checking out the new Evans lookout area. They've just done a whole lot of work. It's been closed for about 6 months. We're going to have a look at what's around. First thing we see is a pretty cool information board. A bit more information than the last one had. Different spot. Parking's changed. We'll show you a bit of a look around. And there is also a bit of disabled access. A bit like the Fairfax Walk at
Covered Sleep.
So we'll link that video up here, and if you want to check out the Fairfax Walk.
Yeah, and there's new toilets as well.
We've just seen someone come up in a wheelchair actually, so that was pretty cool. Yeah. I also got a new gimbal for Christmas for my iPhone, so we're also giving it a bit of a test run too as we test out these new walking tracks and check out the lookout and just say, hey, come up to beautiful Blackheath, and you can definitely check out Evans Lookout. Covered Sleep's probably still closed. They started that later than this, but we've got one lookout open up here, which is really cool. It's a little bit misty today, but not too bad. I'm going to head down, see if they've done anything at Valley View Lookout. This all looks pretty much the same as it was. There's more people down here than I've seen down here in years, so I guess that's a good thing. This used to be the path that would get you straight through to Evans Lookout, but they're sending you back up the stairs. I know we've seen all this before, but this is the view from Valley View. Bit of a stormy, ominous looking day, but beautiful nonetheless. We've not been down here for quite a long time, probably. Well, it's been closed for a while, so we haven't got down this far. There's actually quite a few landslides, which is part of the problematic issue that prompted national parks to do a lot of the work up here so quickly. Just that with all the rain we've had over the last 2 years, everything's become unstable, and there's quite a few landslides. But what they've done, well done, New South Wales National Parks. This is amazing. Great seats everywhere to sit and enjoy. We're filming this little walk around Evans Lookout at the end of 2022. So, Phil, what's a highlight for you of 2022?
Oh, our Queensland holiday was nice when we went to Hervey Bay and saw the whales when we went whale watching. That was probably the highlight for me.
Okay. As you can see, it's pretty busy here today. For me, I guess the highlight, that Hervey Bay trip was good. Reconnecting with your family has been nice. With, as you can, the videos this year, lots of trips to Queensland, which meant lots of catching up with family. So that was really good. And hopefully dealing with this cancer and getting all of the surgeries and stuff out of the way was obviously a big highlight. So this here is a regeneration area. This used to be the main path up to the car park. So they've totally killed it. Last time I came down the path that's trodden, I sort of snuck past there. Got wheelchair access now. That'll get you to the main area, and then there's more down there. Still got a little bit of regen to do to the wall. Oh, they're extending the wall out a little bit. If you want to see how amazing this place looked before it had its renovation in the snow, check out the video above. Okay, we've talked about what was good in 2022. Phil, what did you find hard in 2022?
Oh, your whole cancer thing was probably the most consuming thing for the year, wasn't it?
Yeah. And we've also adapting to getting used to having adult children. This year seems to have been particularly challenging, but in amongst the cancer journey, that stuff's definitely been harder to contend with.
And our youngest one moved out of home.
He did.
A big milestone.
Brisbane. Hence why lots more Queensland videos probably coming your way in the coming years. So this is the beginning to the Grand Canyon Walk. Again, we've talked about this before. 3 to 4 hours. It's a fairly step intensive because it goes down into the valley, and then of course what goes down must come up. National parks have done a really great job, I've got to say. As we wrap up our visit to Evans Lookout today and showing you guys around and giving you a very quick life update, Phil, what are you looking forward to in 2023?
Getting back to overseas travel.
Woohoo!
First time in 3 years because of COVID, so looking forward to that. Where are we going, Tom?
Well, I was going to say, do we want to let them in on the first secret? We've definitely locked in a quick trip to London, and then we're going to focus on a bit of a road trip around Southern Ireland. And that's the Republic of Ireland.
Yeah.
What are you looking forward to about that?
Oh, so much. New country to visit. Haven't been there before, so that's exciting. And yeah, just it looks amazing from all the photos and pictures and videos I saw.
Yeah.
And just yeah, music, the Irish music.
Oh yeah,
pub scene,
bit of the
yeah.
pub scene in the evening.
Yeah.
So guys, have you been to Ireland? What was somewhere that you saw that you thought was a real highlight, or something that we should consider keeping in our itinerary or adding to our itinerary? So we would love to hear from you, what you loved about Ireland, and we would love to be able to take some of your suggestions with us. Anything else you're looking forward to?
Oh, it'd be good to get back to London. I love London, so it's always nice to visit.
Yeah, and I'm looking forward to 2023 being the year of getting back into a routine, with adapting to a new work schedule and just the whole cancer stuff. 2022 really didn't give us a lot of opportunity to get into routine, so I'm looking forward to that, and looking forward to being a bit more proactive in getting fit, especially before we tackle the cliffs of Moor and stuff in Ireland. Yeah, I've come back in the afternoon to just get some of those things like the car parks and stuff that we didn't get this morning. And the sun's out and it's quite warm. I actually might have to take my jumper off. Just outside of the national park is this second car park where You can go down to the Grand Canyon. The beautiful weather has brought out lots of people. It's busier here than I've seen it for a long time. And there's the track down to the lookout. So we're 1.4 k's from the actual car park, and we're going to go and check out the Grand Canyon Loop as well. So this is on the Grand Canyon Loop. Another toilet block. This is the path from the Grand Canyon Loop car park to Evans Lookout. It's about 600 metres. Toilet block at Grand Canyon Loop. Also near the toilet block is another walkway, the 700 metre walk to Neats Glen. Lots of parking here. This bush area, they used to have like little campsites, but they've taken them all away. So this is the new car park at Evans Lookout. It's actually been full both times we've been cut down, and we've managed to get a spot. So yeah, not as much, but there's heaps up at the Grand Canyon Loop if that's where you need to park. It's a 600 metre walk. Over there is where the entrance used to be to get you directly to Evans Lookout. That's not there anymore. And that's the other end of that path I showed you at the Grand Canyon Loop car park. This is the path that leads to the Clifftop track walk. If you want to check out our video, I Conquered, that's we're talking about part of this track. Thanks for joining us on our little exploration of Evans Lookout. Happy New Year to all of you. If you're not subscribed and would like to join us on our 2023 adventures, why not hit that subscribe button? And we would love to have you as part of our community. As always, thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye. It's even busier this afternoon. Looking for more to do around Blackheath? Check out the video above or the playlist in the description.